How to use Discord on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can use Discord on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, just like how you play games on PC and then it shows up on your Discord app, you want the same thing to happen on PS4. You're playing a specific game, you want it to show on the Discord app, but unfortunately, Discord app is not officially available in the PlayStation Store, which means that Discord itself has not made the PlayStation version of it. If you just go ahead and open PlayStation Store, you hit the search button and then you simply type in Discord, you will not be able to find the Discord application as you would normally do for other services and so on. But do not worry, because there is still a way you can actually use Discord, and for this we need to simply use our internet browser. So your PlayStation might already come with an internet browser. Open the internet browser and then just go to discord.com, and we have to simply use the web version. Now you can either choose to download it for your PlayStation, but as I said, this is the download version for your PC and not PS4. So instead we can use it on the web browser by clicking this option called open Discord in your browser. So just click open Discord in your browser. Now all you have to do is simply select enter a display name, and you'll be able to go ahead and basically enter your display name over here. Another thing you can do is, if you look at the top right hand side of the screen, you'll most likely find the login option over there. So you can just also click the login option here. Once you click the login option, you'll be able to simply enter your email address and your password over here. Once you enter your email address and password, you'll be logged into your Discord account, and from there onwards you'll be able to use Discord on your PS4 even without the app by simply using the web version. Otherwise, if you have Discord logged in on your mobile, you can also simply scan this QR code that you can find here. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.